Hey everybody, Mike Pfeiffer with Pfeiffer Hobby, as if you didn't already know that. But today I just wanted to actually give kind of a shout out to all of you. If it wasn't for all of you, Robin and I wouldn't be in this business. We wouldn't have all these great fans out here on YouTube. And as all of you know, I don't do any big giant giveaways or anything. I don't think it's necessary for me to do. I don't charge people for all this advice that I give and all the videos I do and all of that. And I don't expect anything back from you either. Anyway, this is just a quick video on thanking everybody for being here and subscribing. And let's get into what I'm going to tell you here. Okay, what I really wanted to say here or let you guys know is I have some statistics here that we just surpassed. The first statistic is on the Mike Pfeiffer channel, or what you guys probably refer to as the ACT channel. We just surpassed 9 million views. We're on our way to 10 million views. We're now on our way to 10 million views. We, as of this morning, we had 9,003,373 views. Now, of course, that includes all the other dumb videos I've done on models and automobiles and campers and weather and that kind of junk. But that's okay. And we now have 15,267 subscribers, and those are you, and we're glad to have you here. And I just want to reiterate, we're glad you guys show up, we're glad you look at stuff, glad you get something out of it. It originally started, the whole Pfeiffer channel here started because of me just wanting to document what I do on the railroads. Not as an advertising tool, not anything. It didn't start out that way. It's become kind of that way at the beginning, and now it's Pfeiffer Hobby Supply, blah, blah, blah. But initially, I started YouTube to document what I was building so that I had a video record of it when I get 147, if I ever make it that far. But nevertheless, that's how it started, and it's just evolved into what it is today, which is advisory and that sort of thing. And on that note, I want to also tell you that the N-Scale How-To channel, which is also ours, as you know, just surpassed 751,312 views, and we now over there have 7,306 subscribers, which is pretty good because I don't really show that video too much or promote that video or that channel too much. It just is there so that I could point people in the right direction to specifics on how to do things. That's why it sort of exists. It was created a long time after the Pfeiffer channel, just so I could take a lot of those how-to things that were incorporated in this channel and move them over there so people could find out how to do things, specific things, on that particular channel. But once again, this is going to be a short video. I know it's not 51, what am I at? 52, I believe. I think it's going to be 52. I have some things that I'm doing that are going to be 52. I've been held up a little bit because I've had some kidney stone issues and I may have to go in for some surgery for that again. But we'll worry about that another day. 51 will be coming as soon as I can get to it. And once again, thank you all for being here and thanks for watching.
Here I go